We have craft glue. This is a huge assortment, a big box. You really don't need this much to craft. That goes a long way, but this is nice if you have a craft class that you're teaching, a classroom, because everyone can have their own bottle. You can literally use this for so many different crafting projects. It is a tube, and the way it can stick, the adhesive is good with metal, leather, plastic. You can put it on your nails. You can put it on shoes. You can put it on glass, just an assortment of different surfaces. The lid has a fine tip. See that right there, which I love because every time I use glue, I can only use the bottle one time because then what happens is the glue gets in the little area and dries out and then you can't ever use it again. So this makes sure your tube stays unclogged, which is nice. So really good packaging. A screw-on lid. You want to screw it on really tight when you're not using it because you just want to make sure that your glue does not dry out. All right, so you're going to see me using it here on a rock. So it does bond nicely to a rock. Surprisingly, rock is such an interesting surface. It's not flat, it's porous. But my rhinestones, they just glued right to this rock. So it made my flowers pop. They look so pretty. So I'm adding red and then I'm going to put yellow all around for the petals. It also bonds nicely to clothing. So you can put rhinestones on your shoes. You can use it to put rhinestones on your fingernails. The crafting ideas are endless. I also want to point out, notice the texture of the glue. So it's not super liquidy and watery, dripping everywhere, and it's not too thick and hard to work with. It's like a perfect gel texture consistency. Really easy product to work with. When the glue squirts out, it stays where it needs to stay. It's not difficult to work with. And look at how beautiful my project is. My rhinestone flowers on my rock look amazing. I'm going to put it in my front door and let everyone admire my work.